Hey guys, this is Kang. Join me as we have a quick talk about the latest headset from Corsair that I think would beat my current love for my HS80. We have here the Corsair HS80 Max. The Corsair HS80 Max is integrated with Sound ID where you can customize sound profiles depending on your preference. So whether you're playing a game, vibing with music, or enjoying a movie, you can have that personal touch. You can easily switch between wireless modes with just one click of a button with this 2.4 GHz low latency wireless and Bluetooth audio. This headset is also compatible with PCs, consoles, and mobile, so you can bring it anywhere you go. It has 50mm high-density neodymium drivers partnered with a Dolby Atmos spatial sound for that immersive gaming experience. It uses an omnidirectional microphone for crystal clear shot calls. And with comfort, the reason why the HS80 headset is my favorite go-to headset. It is lightweight and perfectly fits my head with its floating headband design. They also used a breathable plush memory foam for the ear cups, and the overall build quality is outstanding with the aluminum reinforced frame. Plus, the HS80 Max also has 3 times longer battery life compared to its predecessor, so you can enjoy gaming up to 65 hours with no charge.